Welcome everybody. Travel about. We found ourselves at Siegals 1941 yet again at the El Cortez. There's something about this place. You better get down here and check it out. It's supposed to be crab night, crab claws, a pound of crab claws. We're going to find out if they still have them. If they do, we're going to get them. And if we do, I'll review them for you. If not, we'll get something else and I'll review that for you. And you've probably seen my other Siegals videos. The place is fantastic. We love it. We've been here for breakfast, lunch, and dinner many, many times. Had a wonderful prime rib the other night. And let's hope we have some killer crabs tonight if they got enough left over for us. There is some cocktail list out here. I think we're going to try something called a cherry lemonade. Vodka, lemonade, and grenadine. How bad can that be, right? $10 a shot. It don't matter. Just hit $1,500–1,600 out here in the casino, so it's all good.
Welcome. How are you doing?
I did order the crabs. It's $45 a pound. So we ordered just one plate of it, a pound. We'll share those. Leslie got a half a roasted chicken. Maybe we'll split that. I don't know. We got 2 of those drinks. We're looking at a $100 meal here, most likely, because we're probably going to get dessert. Anyway, I will review it all for you as it arrives. Hey everybody, this is a cherry lemonade at Siegals 1941. Tito's vodka, lemonade, and grenadine. It is very good. There it is. It's quite tasty. Not too strong. It's actually pretty good. That's real good. Very refreshing. It's got some alcohol in it, but you can't really taste it. That's a mark of a good mixed drink right there. Alright everybody, my crabs have arrived. We are smoking. I think that's dry ice, actually. There's something floating, and there's some balls floating in there. I don't know what's going on over here. Yeah. I guess the bowlers for my shells. Can everybody see that? That is crazy. Anyway, they're on ice. So these are cold. Got lemon. Some kind of sauce. And this is $45. I do have some sides that are coming with it. So this is pretty awesome looking. Let's eat. Alright guys, they've already sort of smashed them for you, so it's not too hard to get apart. That's amazing. Got a little sauce here to dip them in. That is fantastic, guys. Yeah, that was just a little dry ice action there for effect. I'm supposed to have a couple sides. I'm waiting on those. These crabs are amazing. The sides have arrived. I don't know if I was recording or not, so I'm starting over again. We got coleslaw and chips. This is what we came for. So let's go ahead and continue to dig into these. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like we got 4 large claws to work on here. I've already got a little start. Looks like my dry ice is about done doing its thing. That was a pretty cool presentation. Let's eat. Hey guys, I'm tearing into this crab. I want to show you what they did for me. They smashed these open. So this one is basically just ready to eat. And is that a thing of beauty or what? And I'm going to dip that right over in the sauce. And in we go. What a good bite. That is fantastic. Let me give you my quick review on that. First off, presentation was 5 out of 5. The little dry ice thing or whatever it was really awesome. The crab claws were chilled. They were served on ice. The dry ice or the smoke was just for show. It did come with some sides, some homemade, kind of like a kettle cooked potato, like a French fry with onions, and a coleslaw that is really heavy in the vinegar flavor. So, the crab claws were they're basically $10 a claw. It's $45 for this meal. 5-star. I mean, you can't really go wrong with a crab claw. They cooked them just perfect. They smashed them open for me. They were delicious. That sauce that came with them was amazing. Thoroughly enjoyed it.